Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share the recipe of how to make green chutney paneer pakoda at your home. So for this recipe, what you need paneer guys, and here I prepared the homemade the green chutney, the mint, the coriander, and some 4 to 5 green chilies, and I added some salt up to your taste. How much salt you want in a green chutney, and I applied this one in this. Can you see in the middle of the paneer? So so this is ready guys, and for this recipe what you need besan, that is chickpea flour. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to add some salt up to your taste, how much salt you want in your besan. So here I'm adding the salt. Don't add too much salt guys. And in this I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. So here I am adding 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. So this is optional guys. Here I am adding a little bit of soda powder, which gives the crisp in the in the paneer pakoda. And in this I am going to add half a teaspoon of maida. So here I added the maida guys, and I'm going to mix this one as a very thick batter by adding little bit of water. Don't add too much of water guys. The batter should be thick because we have to coat this paneer in this batter. In this I'm adding little bit of ajwain, which is good for digestion guys. So yeah, so everything is ready and it's time to prepare the batter. So here I'm adding little bit of water to make a smooth batter. So can you see guys, the batter is ready. It should be like this. So this is like bhajia batter guys. The same for paneer pakoda also. So take a kadai. Here I added some oil because we have to deep fry this paneer pakoda. So the oil is hot guys. So I am going to add one by one. So take this one and coat it very well with the batter. And I am going to add this one in the oil. So very good starter for any birthday parties guys. You can prepare this one under 10 minutes. So I am going to add. So remember guys, don't cook this one in a high heat. We have to cook this one in a very low flame or medium flame. And then only we will get the brown and crispy paneer pakoda guys. So can you see? It started becoming already brown in color. So can you see guys the color of the paneer pakoda? So as I said, we have to cook this one in a very low flame or medium flame, not in a high flame. If you cook it in the high flame, this paneer pakoda will become black in color. So this is the perfect color for the paneer pakoda guys. So this is the perfect color of the paneer pakoda guys. I'm saying bread pakoda. So this is ready and it's time to remove from the oil. So the paneer pakoda is ready, guys, and I'm going to show you how it looks inside with the chutney. So can you see, guys, how it looks inside with the chutney? So yeah. So no side dish is required for this paneer pakoda, guys. You can have the green chutney which we prepared for the stuffing. So this is a quick video of how. So this is a quick video of how to make a paneer pakoda at your home. See you soon in another video. Bye.